Let's briefly touch over a few different features that you'll find within Underlord. As I mentioned before, you can find highlights and even translate your video into other languages. This includes your transcript, captions, and audio. Under Publish, we have some other AI script writing tools. We can draft a title, summarize, draft show notes, and even draft a YouTube description. We have a couple other drafts for social and blog posts. Underneath Write, we have Brainstorm, Write a Script, Write an Outline, and Rewrite. Now, you can do all of these tasks within another AI companion like ChatGPT, but it's cool that you're able to keep everything within Descript. To showcase some other tools, let's go to the right-hand side and click on Record. Once here, you can record directly into your script. You can choose your camera, your microphone, and if you want to share a screen. You can even record with others. Let's say you're doing a training or a podcast. You can record that podcast directly within Descript. Let's now click on Elements. Here you can add text, placeholder media, shapes, dynamic text, waveforms, progress bars, annotations, overlays, and even frames. There are tons of different options for things that you can add on top of your video. And it makes tasks like motion graphics that are typically done in a software like Adobe After Effects incredibly simple in Descript. Now let's go to the last option here at the bottom. Clicking on this will open up our stock video and audio library. You have video, GIFs, and images here to choose from. And then if I click on audio, you can preview and add different stock music to your project.